Hello everyone and welcome to our look at the stunning Stanbroil Pacific Blue Reflective Fire Glass Collection. This 10-pound bag of half-inch tempered glass is specifically designed for long-term heat consumption. These beads work perfectly with both propane and natural gas indoor fireplaces or your outdoor fire pits. The jewel-like color provides a flawless performance and a dazzling appearance for your unique indoor living space. Using this eco-friendly glass is a stylish way to replace traditional burning wood or those messy logs. Installation is very simple, and you can easily clean the beads using just some basic vinegar and water. Upgrade your fire bowl today with these brilliant reflective pieces for a very beautiful and sleek modern look. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.